Hey there, how was doing? This is Kali from Tech Fanciers. So in this quick video, we are going to see how to enable dark mode on Chrome. First, download or update latest Chrome browser, which is version 74. You can see the exact version in the screen. After that, open the Chrome and type Chrome // flags to enter into flag option. So flag is nothing but the experimental feature of the Chrome. You can enable some cool stuffs over here, but in this video we are going to enable dark mode alone. There are tons of flags in this list, so to get the dark mode flag you need to type dark in the search bar. You can see two options there. First, enable Android Chrome UI dark mode, because doing this way only enable the dark toggle in the setting, and then click the relaunch now button and again open the same flag, enable the Android web content dark mode, then relaunch it again. That's all, you have enabled the dark mode. This feature saves your eye and avoid the dopamine segregation in night time. If you have any issues after enabling this feature, you can click the reset all to default button to make it like earlier. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next good one. Code motto.